Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to create and add a watermark to your photos in Canva. This is a super useful technique for protecting your images and adding that professional branding touch to your work. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're on the platform, you can either create a brand new design from scratch or open up an existing design that you want to add a watermark to. This flexibility means you can watermark photos you've already been working on or start fresh with a new project. Choose whichever option fits your needs. Now look over to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options there, and you want to click on text. This will open up various text options that Canva offers. From those options, click on Add a Text Box. This creates a blank text field where you can type your watermark, giving you complete control over what your branding will say. In that text box, type out your watermark text. For example, you could type something like Tutorials Lab, or your own brand name, website, or copyright notice. This text will serve as your identifying mark on the photo, making it clear who created or owns the image. Next, click on the text you just created to select it. Once it's selected, look up at the top toolbar and you'll notice a transparency button. Click on that transparency button and a slider will appear. Lower the opacity by dragging the slider to the left until your watermark becomes faint and semi-transparent. This is really important because it allows your watermark to be visible without completely covering or distracting from your actual photo. You want it noticeable but subtle. After adjusting the transparency, it's time to position your watermark exactly where you want it. Click and drag the watermark text to your preferred spot on the photo. Many people place their watermarks in a corner, like the bottom right, for a subtle professional look. Others prefer dragging it across the center of the image for maximum protection against unauthorized use. Choose the placement that works best for your specific needs and the type of content you're protecting. Once you're happy with how your watermark looks and where it's positioned, it's time to save your work. Click on Share in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Download. Canva will then process your image and save the watermarked photo to your computer, ready to be used wherever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully created and added a watermark to your photo in Canva, giving your images that professional branded protection they deserve. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.